Have you ever heard of the pink iguana that lives on the slopes of an active volcano? Discovered only in 2009 on the Wolf volcano in the Galapagos Islands, these strikingly colored reptiles were an exhilarating find for biologists. With their vibrant, rose-hued skin, they stand apart from their more common green relatives. However, the pink iguana's existence is precarious. They are critically endangered, with fewer than 200 individuals estimated to remain. This discovery has sparked a fervent conservation effort, involving habitat restoration and population monitoring. The fragile ecosystem of Wolf volcano is now under close scrutiny, as scientists race against time to ensure these unique creatures don't fade into extinction. This tale of the pink iguana underscores the urgent need for conservation and the wonders still hidden in our world.